What is Swift? A few years ago, Swift made the top 10 in the monthly TIOB e-index ranking of popular programming languages. Apple developed Swift in 2014 for Linux and Mac applications. An open-source programming language that is easy to learn, Swift supports almost everything from the programming language Objective-C. Swift requires fewer coding skills compared with other programming languages, and it can be used with IBM Swift Sandbox and IBM Bluemix. Swift is used in popular iOS apps like WordPress, Mozilla Firefox, SoundCloud, and even in the game Flappy Bird. Professionals who develop iOS applications take home average annual salaries of around $106,652. Level: beginner to intermediate. Skills needed: willingness to spend time reading tutorials, which are widely available. No prior experience with programming languages required. Platform: mobile, Apple iOS apps specifically. Popularity among programmers: gaining in popularity, especially among Apple iOS application developers. Benefits: relatively easy to learn, clean syntax, less code, faster than comparable programming languages, open source. Downsides: still a young language, poor interoperability with third-party tools, lacks support for earlier versions of iOS. Degree of use: used extensively for creating iOS apps, used on the iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. Annual salary projection: $109,652. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.